The topic of today's video is how to resize images in Windows 11. Now guys, don't forget to check the links in the description of this video. We keep tons of resources in these all the time. Now, the first thing that we want to do is find our image. So what we're going to do is right click, say open with, and use Photos. Now, if Photos is your default app, then just double click. Alright, so here's our image, Hellblade, of course. And what we're going to do is we are going to enlarge that. And then we're going to come to these three little dots on the left. And here you'll see Resize Image. And then we can customize to our heart's content, set the quality, set the file type. So we have PNG if we need to convert even. And when we're done, all we need to do is hit save. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, guys. Don't forget to check the links in the description of this video for tons of resources. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.